Welcome back or welcome. We are headed to the LZ World Tour, baby. See you soon, New Jersey.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Infamous sign. I am working the KANSEI Wheels booth this weekend, so I have to go find them. I'm not sure if they're set up already or not. I am working with Brian and Chris this weekend, so some new faces to meet. Oh wait, they're right there. Nice. Right next to our good friends, Ignition Speed. Hi Jay, how are you?
What's going on?
Yuri's here. You don't know who Yuri is? Great videographer. So they don't need my help setting up or anything. Keep it easy day today. So let's go help Jordy over at Oaks Garage. Here is Oaks. Wow, you guys are right next to LZ?
Wow.
Must be famous.
Wow.
Jordy has to go to the bathroom. Go piss, girl.
2 very boring minutes later.
Oaks is, it's okay for right now. Nice little pit walk. Now we're reunited.
We're good.
Day.
Yeah.
Everyone was asking me about you.
Where's Jordy? Where's Jordy?
Yeah.
Oh my god, where's Jordy?
I swear, no one's excited to see me. They're just disappointed because I'm not with Jordy.
Where'd Jordy go?
Out of here, dude.
Big egg guy now.
First it was potatoes, now.
Yeah, I brought you from the car. He's roosting in his Rari.
Jordy, you smell like eggs. Mom's already breaking. Wiring Specialties is here. Let's go take pictures of the booth. Oh, I should hold on.
Dangerous Canadian.
Nice. Right next to KANSEI. This works out perfectly.
Exactly the way you planned it, right?
I did not plan it, but I am going to be using that scoot. We are going to find the rest of the gang because we kind of lost them and probably plan to go get food or something. I'm starving. I've got a headache. It's been a long day already and we just got here. Until anything else happens. Meatball sandwich.
Hey, that was my line from Wham Wham. Wham Wham.
It was for the people struggling.
Let's pretend for a second this does matter.
I did not record us getting here and I put my camera away, but quick room tour. Oh shit. I thought that was the bathroom light. This is the bathroom. Nice. Nice. There's Jordy, 2 beds, a cup Keurig. They'll probably charge us if we use that though. I don't want to use that anyways because if you know, you know. We are gonna get all settled in and call it a night. So we will see you guys tomorrow for day 1 of the LZ World Tour. Boo 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 boo. What are these imprints on the mirror?
The next morning.
Good morning. It is day 1 of the LZ World Tour. Everyone else is still sleeping, which is why I'm whispering. But let's get ready. And we are all ready to go. I really want the free hotel breakfast. I'm gonna go grab my and go get that. Get that. Breakfast didn't have too much, but I got some orange juice that I'm spilling absolutely everywhere. See you at the track. Quick Wawa trip, some snackies. When we get to the track, things are gonna be super hectic as soon as I get out of the car. Here we are. There's Tony setting up my stuff. Wiring Specialties is still setting up, and KANSEI has to set up. Ooh, we're almost set up. Brian's super overstimulated.
Don't bother me! Don't bother me right now!
We're getting there. Let's do a quick fit check because I'm about to take off my crew neck because it is hot. Fits like a glove. KANSEI is all set up. I am gonna go see Jordy at Oaks to see how they're doing so far. And to see Micro. Action cards, Josh's giveaway card. Whoa, is that Micro print shop? Got some Kai Quinn merch. DJ No Way. Whoa, and an Oaks Garage collab tee.
Yes, sir.
That's crazy.
It is crazy.
I like this one. Oaks is looking good. Offering candy. What? Taking some of that. Good morning. Good morning. The shirts look sick. They're so good. Small update. Gates are open. Spectators are rolling in. I put back on my crew neck because it's getting a little windy and chilly, but let the day begin. Yeah!
2 hours later.
Sorry, Brian, leave me by yourself. Have fun. We are getting a break. There's so many people here, as well as so many cars. I feel like you can't even really look at the cars because there's so many people. But I'm gonna go Miata spotting per usual. Let's go see how Jordy's doing. How's business?
That's booming.
Looks like I'm kind of stuck here because Jordy needs my hotspot.
You got change?
We are back at the booth. Thankfully, Yuri was kind enough to grab me some drifting clips throughout the day. So here they are. Update, it is getting more chilly. Put my sweatshirt on and my sweatpants.
Running away, we're trying to grab him.
Packing up for the night?
Pack it up, pack it up.
Empty. Everyone's packed. And we are clocked out for the day, baby. Successful day. Let's go see what everyone is up to at Oaks. Wow, I didn't know Jimmy was such a fan. So nice. You clocked out yet? We we are gonna switch to the phone for the rest of the night until we get back to the hotel and call it a night. Just kidding. We're back at the hotel and we're gonna bed. See you guys tomorrow morning for day 2. Good morning. Day 2. Last day of the KANSEI tour. You know the deal. We're gonna get ready for the day. All ready to go. It's supposed to be really rainy today and cold. See you at the track. Two, you ready, Rob?
Yeah, ready to freeze.
It's not that bad out.
It's 50 degrees.
It's not bad. It's cold.
It's not windy.
It's gonna get windy and a bit colder, and it's not gonna warm up.
Whatever. I got my rain jacket on. Let's go check out KANSEI and reset up the booth. Grabbing this in case I need it. Jordy's gonna drive me over, guys. Seems like Brian isn't here yet, so it's just me.
Yeah, skedaddle.
I'm out of breath, but I started setting up a little bit. We're gonna do this the quick and YouTube easy way. Nice. This is as most as I can do until Brian gets here. I think I did a pretty good job. Moved all our stuff that can get wet over here. Stuff that can get wet over here. I think it's gonna be a good day. Now we wait.
10 minutes later.
Look who decided to show up.
Hey, you know what time it is. Day 2, world tour. It's raining, it's windy, but we're gonna get shit popping.
We already have problems with the tent blowing in, but it's fine. Everything's great. I take your scooter?
Yeah.
Yes.
Scoots McBoots.
Yes. To the pits we go. Savvy's car. Let's keep moving and grooving, guys. I can't record doing this.
I take it back. I don't want you to do that.
Let's keep moving.
Filming for your channel today?
Yeah.
Nice, dude.
Always.
Nice.
Good morning. Your hair looks cute. Thank you. Somebody put a purple sparkly duck on my 240. Look how cute. So cute. It's so cute.
So little.
We almost lost it.
Like, so cute.
Let's go check in on Jordy before I head back to the booth. I got kicked off the scooter because Rob has to grab stuff for the tent. Walking we go. I was looking for you. Drift games in the wild. Got Savvy working the booth.
What up, dude? Good morning.
Good morning.
They give me a hoodie. It was
Dude,
so
I
nice
took a
of them.
picture of you sleeping this morning. I gotta show you.
Please do. Oh, you took a picture of my car. I felt you covering me up, dude.
What are you doing here?
Jordy.
What are those glasses?
Jordy. They're swag.
He looks like a bug. It's pretty funny.
I give you that. They are pretty sick. Well, thank you so much for taking such good care of my car.
Oh yeah, no
I'll
problem.
be taking it home tonight.
Please do me a favor. I need someone to actually bring it home for real.
Get this thing out of here.
What?
Get this thing out of here.
Alright, say that.
Back to work we go. It's so windy. I don't know, Brian. I think we're gonna fly away.
We haven't yet.
Get on her.
I gotta eat my potato ball before you fly.
That was me and my empanada before. Whoa. Keychain down. I think we got a solution. This is so bad, guys. All right, I think that's good, Brian.
You did good?
I think we'll stay in one place.
Yeah, well, how about this? We'll stay for the rest of the event.
Time to pack up, because we gotta present trophies. Oh my God, first time presenting trophies. Yeah, all this, gotta go. Goddamn.
And just like that, the LZ World Tour at Englishtown, New Jersey comes to a close.
It is not over yet. Jordy was lying. It's fantasy battles right now. Top 16 is gonna start soon.
That's the whole point, right?
Tiago and I are gonna go say hi to Carrie, because she's here. Yeah, that's it. Oh my God, stop.
Do what he did last night, work his way through the back. Well, it's mixed conditions at the moment, a little patchy out there, but almost full wet. Nazaro fires that car up until the door of Lee Yearwood, but now he starts to apply the pressure and fires away as Lee Yearwood goes for the outside zone. That two, that long one right around the drag of the outside edge of the circuit. He just about gets into it. Now starts to wobble and waver. Tom Nazaro struggling to match the angle and get some proximity as they come through the middle of the circuit. One last transition left to go. Lee Yearwood pulls away from Tom Nazaro as he gets gets into that last outside zone and across the line.
When it's wet, is it a little bit of a capture across the or something?
There we go. LZ to the Mike Martino in that S15 line, oh, big wobble. I was waiting for initiation, didn't happen. LZ's gone super wide though, drops one wheel over the edge of the circuit, keeps a hold of it. Now flicks it back across for outside zone 2. Mike Martino though on the inside edge of the circuit, trying to find that proximity with Adam LZ. Now starts to rein him in, and this one a good looking battle around the circuit. LZ doing a good job on outside zone 2 though. Can he pick up that header clip? He certainly can. As he goes back for the transition for the final outside zone. Little dab of the foot brake from LZ. He's up and down, and Mike Martino can't catch him as he gets it across the line.
Got my phone?
Yeah, I mean, not massive proximity from my.
I already spent incredible initiation from Mike Matthews. He gets that car right where it needs to be. The mistake just attacks the wall, mate. Puts it in the dirt, has to get himself back into the mix.
Before I head off to give trophies, I'm gonna go to the pits and see who's still here with Steven. Where the f he went? Steven! Where'd he go? Really? You can't wait for me? I thought you ran without. No! I went the other way! Everyone left, but Tom's still here.
I told us, let's go over there.
In a Chevrolet.
And we have got a Canadian in the top 4.
Do a backflip, do a backflip.
Backflip, he's gonna do it!
Do it!
He's doing it!
Kept him on edge right till the last moment.
Yo!
Yeah!
Here we go.
Let's go further. I was going to say on an accelerator 650.
Yeah, you could have kept going on FDF.
Would it be?
Brian came to grab me, guys.
Came to eat real fast. I was cold, hungry, but we still got to present some trophies.
Trophy time. Best towing service around over there. Anthony's Towing, 973-778-755.
We're about to pull up and give them the grand presentation. Let's go.
Make sure the guys know that they're
Great success.
We did it. God, I'm nervous, but that was fun.
And that concludes the LZ World Tour. Let's go find Jordy and head the home. Is someone doing a burnout over there?
I think so.
Alright, you guys know the drill. Thank you, KANSEI Wheels, for having me this weekend. Thank you, Micro Print Shop. I appreciate you generously. I will update the quantity on my website soon enough, so stay tuned. Shout out the LZ World Tour. Great event per usual. Shout out the winners. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week for more car content.